My video guide is about removing the malicious pop-ups related to the site extensionco.com. Extensionco.com is a really malicious site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. This pop-up tries to mislead users and to make them basically download and install certain unwanted browser extensions, which may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. For instance, right now they promote this extension called motivational quotes. Anyway, you should not install this extension, and if it was mistakenly installed, here is what you should do. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may obtain the latest version of it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.